Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Balidanoa. In this video I will introduce you with a new software which you can use to track the location, information, block content or track data of your kids or any one phone. The name of software is shown as FamiSafe. This software is available for both iOS and Android platforms. You can download this app. Now let's talk about the features of this software. This software has lots of features which you can use to track or locate your kids or any other person. The first feature is real-time location tracking. With this feature you can track real-time location of your kids and get alerts when your kid leaves safe. Next you can use this to block any app on kid's phone and can block it for certain time. Monitor how your kids use their phones, what apps are mostly used, what apps are installed and uninstalled, how the social media apps are used, etc. Another awesome feature is web content filtering. Keep your kid away from potential online threats by blocking any unwanted or inappropriate websites with harmful content such as pornography, gambling, violence, etc. Screen time tracking and control. Learn how frequently your kid's phone is being used during a day. Set screen time limits and make sure their phone cannot be used during study or sleep time or in specific places such as schools and bedroom. Flexible remote control and personalization setting. No need to handle everything on your kid's phone. Once the app is installed, you can set everything on your own device flexibly. This app is very easy to install and use. It's a 3-step process, and now I will show you how you can install this app on kid's phone and start tracking his activities in simple steps. Let's go to phone for installation. The very first step is to download this app on kid's phone, and here you can track it on App Store or can get download link from description of video. Once app is downloaded on phone you can sign up for a new account, or if you already have account then click on login. Once signed up click login using email and password you have. Now click on kid's phone and enter your kid name and age in the age field. Click done and next follow the steps as shown on screen. Make sure if anything is asked click allow and then install the certificate as shown in video. Follow all steps as shown to successfully install this app on kid phone for tracking. Now once all steps are followed as shown the kid's phone is ready and click on the done button. Now what you have to do is to log in into the same account on your phone and then select parent instead of kid, and you can now start tracking the kid activities and all other features you can activate based on your needs. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys liked this software. Links to download this software is in description of video. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends or person who really need this app for their kids.